Hey there, welcome to this channel, Curious Siddharth. Today's topic of discussion is Singapore. The Sanskrit interpretation of Singapore is Lion City. A prince from Srivijaya Buddhist Empire of Sumatra, Indonesia, saw a lion-like organism which he thought to be an auspicious symbol while he went to Singapore for hunting. It is the 14th most expensive city. Singapore got its independence in 1965. It has a population of 56.4 lakhs and an area of 721.5 kilometers square. The official languages are Malay, Mandarin, Tamil, and English. Plants like river Terina and common Daniel are found in Singapore. 20% of freshwater fishes are extinct today. It has a birth rate of 1.16 births per woman. Some neighboring countries are Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. Singapore is 7th in Global Peace Index, 34th in Happiness Index, 59th in Gender Gap, 9th in Rule of Law, 66th in Democracy Index. Life expectancy is high, 2nd in HDI. Singapore has 4th largest FDI inflow, 40th most livable city, 5th most visited city. Has Sungli Buloh Wetland Reserve and Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. Battle of Singapore was between 7th Feb 1942 to 15th Feb 1942. 100 species of birds are extinct today. Its Independence Day is 9th August. Its rank in tourism is 10th. Robert Yeo, Alvin Pang, Catherine Lim, Boy Kim Cheng, and Gopo Seng are some of the famous writers. Some notable Singaporean filmmakers are Jack Neo, Anthony Cheng, Eric Goh, and Kelvin Tong. It ranks second in economic freedom. Some of the movies are Wet Season, Make It Big Big, The Long Walk, and I Dream of Singapore. Football, basketball, cricket, badminton, swimming are popular in Singapore. Some famous singers are Stephanie Sun, Jeje Lin, Dick Lee, and Kit Cheng. Singapore ranks 6th in GDP per capita. Singapore is parliamentary representative democratic republic. The government has three branches: legislative, executive, and judiciary. The PM, Prime Minister, controls the government. Laksa, satay, and roti canai are found as food in Singapore. It has Meow Me Cat Cafe and Ulu Ulu Pet Cafe. Singapore has Bitcoin ATMs. Singapore expects to produce 30% of the nutrition needs by 2030. The father of the nation is Lee Kuan Yew. 73% of the population is involved in services, 25.6% with the industries, and a mere 0.7% with agriculture. As one of the fastest internet speed. Singapore is the third least corrupt, highly developed free economy with a very high HDI. It's an innovation driven economy. Singapore imports mineral fuels, chemicals, and foodstuffs, while it exports electrical machineries, equipments, medical apparatus, and refined petroleum products. Racism against South Asian nations like India and African countries are prevalent in Singapore. Singapore's export bill is $329 billion, while import bill is $282 billion. Found here are catfish, barracuda, grouper, giant snakehead, peacock bars, and so many more. Its major trading partners are Hong Kong, China, EU, that is the European Union, Malaysia, South Korea, Japan, and the United States of America. Animals found are Sunda pangolin, Malayan porcupine, banded langur, mountain squirrel, oriental hornbill. 20% of the national budget is allocated for education. Some of the best universities of Singapore are National University of Singapore, Nanyang Technology University, and Singapore Management Universities. All male citizens must serve for at least 24 months in the armed forces. It is compulsory in there. Some notable scientists are Tan Ji Pao, Andrew Nee, Olivia Lim, Lakshmi Mei, Lim Chiu Tak, and Kenneth Lee. Singapore has armed forces consisting of Air Force, Navy, and the Army. There are still no Nobel Prize winners in Singapore. After Singapore was separated from Malaysia in 1965, the Singapore has benefited from the immigration laws. The immigration has proved to be a driving force for its economy. At 32.8%, Singapore has the second highest overweight prevalence in the Asian countries. The unemployment rate is 3.62%. The cost of living is very high. A single person living there would require $575 per month, which excludes rent. The tax regime is 0% to 22%, which is a very lucrative number for foreign direct investments. Poverty graphs in Singapore are unavailable. The United States is 8% cheaper than Singapore. The Singaporean government is inclined to be free from corruption and corrupt practices. If we talk about the crime rate, it is very low in Singapore because of the harsh penalties and strict laws. Singapore is a Buddhist majority country and is secular in nature. Recent times, the economic and financial crimes are on the rise in Singapore in regarding different organizations and businesses. Some plants found are lipstick plant, aquatic ginger. Singapore is a member of Commonwealth, United Nations, non-aligned movement. Members of Simpolak and Jarum Jarum are found in Singapore. ASEAN, that is the Association for Southeast Asian Nations, and APEC, that is Asia Pacific Economic Corridor. Singapore has won 5 Olympic medals. It has friendly relations with US, UK, and all other neighboring countries. Its nominal GDP is 36th. It is a former British colony. Rank in education is 1. Some of the things that are banned in Singapore are chewing gums, electrical cigarettes, chewing tobacco, spitting on public places, jaywalking, littering, feeding birds, and using others' Wi-Fi without notice. Singapore has its own Little India and Chinatown. Some of the festivals which are celebrated there are Chinese New Year, Pongal, Lantern Festival, Dragon Boat Festival, Diwali, and many more festivals. More than 18.5 million tourists visit Singapore each year. Vanda Miss Joaquim is the national flower, whereas lion is the national animal. Some of the tourist places are Universal Studios, Singapore Zoo, Merlion Park, Jurong Bird Park, Night Safari. Although Singapore is the eco-friendliest country in Asia, it is the 6th worst air quality possessing nation. Air pollution, water pollution, and deforestation are some of the major problems that Singapore is facing today. Skyline Luge, Gardens by the Bay, Helix Bridge, Temple of Lin, Istana, War Memorial, Art Museum, Redang, Henderson, Waves. Rice is a staple food in Singapore. Some other interesting places are Flyer, Ducktown, History Museum, Peranakan Museum, Turf Club, Malay Heritage Center, Flower Dome, Science Center, Bollywood Veggies, SEA, Aquarium, and more. 95% of the natural habitat in Singapore is today lost. Some religious places are Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, St. Andrew's Cathedral, Chatian Hindu Temple. Crimson sunbird is the national bird. Cute stingray, fish head curry, and chili crab are the favorites in Singapore. Moreover, Ramakrishna mission temples are also present in Singapore. The national dish is Hainanese chicken rice. Some places for tourists to relax are: the national fruit is durian, Siloso Beach, River Lafari, Sentosa Island, and resorts World Hotels. Singapore has the most powerful passport in the world. If you enjoyed this video, please do click the like icon. Please subscribe to this channel and keep on supporting me.